Alright guys, welcome back. It's Alvin here. I'm back in the airport, Atlanta airport, my favorite airport in the world, where there's great food. And right now, I'm enjoying this pizza here from Verasano's. So yeah, definitely enjoying that. And guess where I'm going? I am headed to the Dominican Republic. That's right. So I've never been there before. I've been to the Caribbean, I've been to different islands, never been to DR. So this is going to be interesting. One of my friends, close friends, he's getting married later this month. The best man wanted to do something special for him, so he thought, hey, let's plan a trip. And where else to go? We thought about the Dominican Republic, and that's where we're headed. So this is going to be an interesting vlog, and we got a lot of things we're going to get into, but it's better for me to show you than for me to tell you right now. So yeah, stay tuned for that, all right? This is going to be epic. But before we go any further, I've got one thing to do. I need to devour this pizza. Yeah, I'm gonna devour that.
Really got me, really got me, really got me.
That's delicious.
Really got me, really got me.
You know you got a really good pizza crust. We've got these charred pockets here, air pockets, and it's so thin, it's light. It's like I can eat like 3 of these. This is good, really good. Here we are.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Good.
Line right above your head, flights and cold leg and together.
We are in the Dominican Republic. Look who I brought with me. Say hello. Hey. Yeah, so we're gonna meet up with our friends later on. It's gonna be, I'm pretty sure, a long wait in customs. Gotta deal with that first, get a rental car, and then it's gonna be probably a 2-hour drive to our final destination. So it's gonna be a long night, but I'm ready for it. We're ready for it. Let's go. Alright guys, so I'm here. We made it to our villa. This place is gorgeous. I mean, perfect weather. It is a little humid, but that's what island life is all about, right? Some humidity. But it is perfect out here. I mean, so all of this, we're able to just take advantage of all this space. And just look at the sky. I mean, the sky is just perfect. I mean, you couldn't ask for a better day. I mean, I'm really enjoying this place right now. There's my guy Martez over here. Say hello. There he is. He's got the GoPro out there, so probably gonna put that to use, right? Because we're doing Dune buggy rides. We're doing Dune buggy rides later this afternoon. I've got my GoPro. He's got his, so we're probably gonna get some awesome footage. But this is a cool place. We got a pool here. Yeah. I mean, what more can you ask for? Here, about to do some dune buggies. Check these out.
Yeah.
right, so we're stopping for a little bit. We're gonna take some time to just take in the view here. Man, this
Carnage.
carnage, that's all you can say. I am filthy, man, but I'm enjoying it. Hey man, your buggy keep dropping.
Man,
Stopping,
I appreciate you helping me push me up the hill.
Yeah, I try. My buggy got some horsepower, man. Great views out here. This place is awesome. Again, the weather is perfect. It's just awesome. I mean, look at this dune buggy. It has taken a beating. There is no part of this dune buggy that isn't covered with mud. That's how you do it. Having a good time, man. Oh, look at that face. Yeah, it was no joke. Yeah, that's perfect. You look like you're in a tribal war or something, man. Hello, bless you. Okay, you've been
Now
blessed.
you will have the powder of the Black Panther slipped away.
Oh, don't drink it. Don't drink it. Oh. Oh, he is no longer the Black Panther. How about it?
Hell yeah, man.
That's right. Whoa.
Good time. Look like
Y'all look like ghosts. All right, we going up these stairs. We are in the forest, folks. It's a nice little hike. I got my bandana on. Got my life jacket on. Get my helmet. We're ready. All right, we've hiked for about 15 minutes already. And then I think it's gonna open up to a waterfall or some kind of a river or something. Some form of water. Yeah, it's a nice little hike to be in like swim clothes and not the proper hiking shoes. Hey, look at this Dominican elephant. What's up? Chick-fil-A.
Eat more chicken.
Come. Nice cow. All right. Woo, it's cold.
Keep going.
You can swim?
Come on, follow me.
Wow, look at that.
You gonna jump from here.
Oh. Whoa! Whoa! Yeah. Yeah, right there. All right, y'all.
If people don't jump up there, walk.
Ready? Woo! 1, 2.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Good job. Woo! Woo! Yeah, that would hurt. Woo!
Go ahead, Jacob! Yeah!
Hey, you got me? You got me?
Still recording. Hey, the GoPro's still recording 6 minutes later. Oh man, I thought I lost you. I thought you was gone, but hey, thanks to, where the kid at? Where'd he go? Oh, he's over there. Special thanks to that kid right there, man. He saved the GoPro. I'm definitely gonna tip him. I don't know how he saw the water, cause I lost it. Yeah, he found it. Yeah. I don't know how you saw the water, but good job. Yo, that was fun. My man, yo, Samuel. He's the savior right there. He saved the GoPro. How old are you again? You old? 13? 12? No. 14. Swims like a fish, man. He found this thing. I don't know how he found it. All the ripples and the currents from the waterfall was just making things real cloudy. And You can't use that footage.
he found it, man. So that was great. Yeah, so I got like 6+ minutes of footage of my GoPro on the water. That's awesome, man. What y'all thought about the whole thing? It's good.
My chest hurts, but
Yeah.
it was fun.
Oh, man. All right, man. That was fun. No.